Hey, I'm working on this little oak table today and thought I'd do a quick video and show how I'm going to sand some of this detail around this top edge right here. I've already stripped the top, sanded it some. I'm going to stain it to match the base. The base I'm basically just going to clean up, do some sanding on it here and there with the sponge, and then I'm going to go ahead and respray the whole thing. But right now I'm going to sand this little top edge detail right here. With the SurfPrep with the 1/2 inch sponge pad on it with a fine grit, just to take off a little bit of what's there and give it some tooth for that new coats to adhere to. But I'm going to go ahead and do this little area and kind of show you what's going to happen here. Kind of letting the sander pull itself along. It's doing the work, not me. I'm going to offset it for a minute here. Hang on one second. Okay, I've offset my pad a little, as you can see. I'll try and get in this ridge a little better. Okay, that's more what I was looking for in there. But we've got that cleaned off now, and I'll go ahead and do the rest of this. But you can see the difference, remove this, as to where I have gone over it with the sander just now, and over here where I haven't, and obviously over here where I haven't also. I'm trying to pan slow so I don't make everybody dizzy. But that's that. Just wanted to show you what I'm going to be working on today.